Here we go again, you illegal Firestick users. Warnings going out across all the internet to you guys who use a Firestick and you stream on it. How dare you, you illegal users. Are you going to jail? They're coming for you. They're going to be knocking on your door. Let's go and have a look about it. It's all over the internet again. But before we do that, as always, if we can, do remember to hit that subscribe button. We will keep you up to date with everything streaming related, whether it's Firesticks, whether it's updating your streaming device, whether it's movie apps, TV apps, websites, all there for you. We will keep you up to date. And whether it's a news like currently, everywhere over the internet today, warning to people using Amazon Fire Sticks illegally as intelligence officers crack down on streamers. Punishment you could face if caught using Amazon Fire Stick illegally. Warning to people using Amazon Fire Sticks illegally as intelligence officers crack down on streamers. So this is all over the internet today. Conveniently, just after a couple of companies signed new deals to broadcast sport over the next coming years, and this is all over the internet. So I thought we'd take a little look over it because the articles, the comment sections are a bit unreal, and they do make me laugh. So let's have a little look into it. Obviously, if you're worried about your streaming, this is what these articles are about. They're trying to target you guys who are worried about how you stream. Remember, streaming isn't illegal. Accessing content you don't have the rights to or the rights to view can be a civil case, but obviously, who are you to know what you're paying isn't legal? But we're going to go into that in a second. Let's have a look at the first one, shall we? Warning to people using Amazon Fire Sticks illegally as intelligence officers crack down on streams. First thing, please give me your thoughts in the comments underneath because these are always great to read. This is how the article goes in. There could be a knock at your door. Those who have been using Amazon Fire Sticks to illegally stream TV have been warned that they could be prosecuted if they refuse to stop breaking the law. So what law has been broken? We'll see. Illegally streaming premium content like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, and Sky Sports has become a common practice for many of late. But if you get caught, you could face yourself in court breaking copyright laws. Okay, the problem you got is, how do you know who owns the license to these TV programs? Like, I could watch Sky. I don't know what they've paid for the license or anything like that. I'm not going to look up who's paid for the license. I could buy other streaming services. I don't know who's paid for the license. For instance, Champions League is broadcast in Ireland by Live Scores app, which is a random live scores app, but they actually have the license to broadcast the Champions League in Ireland. I wouldn't know that. You know, only I know that because I look into it. Anyway, a survey in 2022 confirmed that 19% of those asked had illegally streamed or downloaded content in the past 3 months. 19%. So that means maybe what, 51% of people lied? Remember, if anyone knocks on your door and asks to come in regarding your streaming, ask for a warrant. Do not let them in your house. In a bid to crack down on the number of people using Fire Sticks illegally, I don't know why everyone targets Fire Sticks. There's Nvidia Shields, there's Android boxes, mobile phones, PCs, but everyone targets a Fire Stick. Federation Against Copyright Theft, FACT, UK, are sending cease and desist letters and even turning up on your doorsteps to those suspected of illegally streaming content. So what happens is they send out a wave of letters. You may receive a letter. These letters go to everybody, and they will say you've been caught streaming content. And if you have been illegally streaming content or streaming third-party content, you're going to go, oh crap, I better stop that. If you haven't, you're going to go, that's a load of rubbish, throw it away. So you could send it to everybody because it's a common practice because you're going to scare a lot of people off from doing it. FACT revealed that they've received a significant increase in number of reports of detailing people using the Fire Sticks. A report of people using Fire Sticks. Fire Sticks are the biggest selling streaming device on the internet. Majority of people, well, a lot of people use a Fire Stick for official streaming. You've got Amazon Prime, Netflix, Disney Plus, loads of free streaming apps which are official. There's loads on my channel if you want to check those out and how to get them. Official streaming apps. So why they target Amazon like this, who knows? But for Amazon, it's just free marketing. One of those methods is through a partnership with Crime Stoppers to make it easy as possible to report illegal streaming. And over the past year, we have seen a significant increase in number of reports directly linked to Fire Sticks. So who's reporting these people? So they are saying now that people are reporting you. So your neighbours reporting you. How would they know unless you've told them? Madness, 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 madness. Obviously, if they are monitoring what you are doing online, that will be a breach of your data protection and your GDPR. So it'd be very interesting. Obviously, looking into terms and conditions, maybe your internet service provider may monitor what you're doing. But obviously, that's why a lot of people would use a VPN online, whether you stream illegally or normally. These reports were investigated by our intelligence unit and followed up with a rolling program of action which includes issuing cease and desist letters and concluding nationwide knock-on talks. So you're not going to prison, guys. These home visits, undertaken in conjunction with the law enforcement, serve to inform individuals about their activities and immediate need to cease and desist or face further actions or prosecutions. We also work in close collaboration with law enforcement, so you're not the law who are knocking, to gather further evidence to actually pursue legal actions against these criminals entitled. Let's be honest, that was a load of rubbish. But majority of people, if you're selling the streams, if you're providing the streams, yes, don't do it. If you are watching the streams, remember, people say streaming's legal. Streaming is still downloading because you get temporary files. When you do stream, you are downloading that temporary file onto your device and then it gets deleted afterwards. So there is an argument that it can breach some form of copyright laws. I've not seen yet, ever, somebody who streams sent to jail, fined, or anything like that. People who sell it, yes. Someone who's streams, no. I know a lot of people don't want to use a VPN. It can throttle your speeds or anything like that, but it will protect your privacy. I use one for official streams because I don't want the big companies selling my information. The last thing I want is those companies having information on what I do. A lot of you may use one for third-party streaming because you may not be worried about the police knocking on your door or anything like that, but you may hold a high-profile job or a nice job and you wouldn't want, say, if you're a police officer or if you were a lawyer or someone who works in that sort of civil service, you wouldn't want your bosses knowing you illegally streamed and then it came out in the media. So people like to protect it. It's also good for protecting your own personal data like I do from official partners and official streamers as well. So that's linked directly underneath for you as well. Remember, here at the Doc Squiffy channel, obviously we do not condone third-party streaming and streaming unofficial content. We're here to keep you safe online. We're here to bring you the news, and we're here, obviously, to bring you the best streaming services and tips, tricks, and everything, whether it's streaming apps, adult apps, everything like that. We've got things to set up your devices if you want to, everything like that. Obviously, different laws around the world, so some apps may not be suitable for you in the UK, which are suitable for you in the USA, vice versa, Canada, etc. All laws are different, but we're here for your protection. We're here to keep you up to date with all the streaming stuff, and we've nearly got 600,000 followers, depending on when you're watching this video. So do hit subscribe, watch out for that punishment for your Firestick, and we will see you on the next one. See you soon.